Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the 5 best PC cases, big and small, from compact builds that save space to larger cases made for serious power and airflow. If you want smarter product ideas, you're in the right place because we upload quality videos every day. Number 1. FSP CMT350. The FSP CMT350 is still a relatively compact, sub-$100 PC case that still fits a full-size ATX motherboard with 7 PCIe expansion slots. The only exceptions are wide eATX for semi-server, workstation Xeon processors. The viewing window is made for the entire height of the case, and there is a cutout in the casing for the power supply. The maximum allowable PSU length is 17 centimeters. Some modular kilowatts may not fit. The height of the processor tower is equal to the standard 16 centimeters, and the length of the video card is up to 35 centimeters. The FSP CMT350 is equipped with 3 fans, 2 non-luminous in front and 1 more in the back, all ready with RGB. The front panel of the case is also decorated with LED strip. There is an LED controller that can be synchronized with an Asus Aura, MSI Mystic, Gigabyte Fusion, AceRock Polychrome, or BioStar Vivid motherboard. Number 2. Be Quiet, Silent Base 601. Be Quiet, Silent Base 601 is a huge 10-kilogram case from a German brand, almost entirely made of metal. There is also a subversion with a glass viewing window, but because of it, the main idea of engineers is partially lost: complete silence. Contributes to silence and a pair of branded turntables Be Quiet, Pure Wings 2, 14-centimeter diameter, with rifle bearing and aerodynamic grooves on the blades. They are accompanied by a 3-position Rio Boss. Low, medium, and high speed. Fortunately, turntables Be Quiet remain very quiet even at maximum speed. Then, the kit comes with 2 baskets for 3.5-inch drives. The first is double, and the second is single. 5 more single baskets can be purchased separately. Soft silicone pads completely dampen HDD vibration. Number 3. Fractal Design Torrent Nano. The Fractal Design Torrent Nano is a miniature mini ITX case that also fits longer mini DTX motherboards on a single PCIe slot. A strong steel frame paired with rubber pads help minimize vibration from a single 3.5-inch hard drive. However, in order to avoid chaos with laying SATA cables in such a cramped case, it is better to trust the M.2 SSD, which is installed directly on the motherboard. Moreover, both side panels of the case are made of tinted glass, resistant to shocks and scratches. This means cable management errors will be perfectly visible to your guests. The only complete turntable has an increased diameter of 18 centimeters and is located in front. Abundant perforation of the front panel, coupled with a dust filter, provides a balance between ventilation and cleanliness. Number 4. Cooler Master TD300 Mesh. Cooler Master MasterBox TD300 Mesh is a compact mini-tower computer case for mid-sized micro ATX motherboards. Its front panel is made in the shape of a fine mesh polygonal mesh, which reduces intake air noise and better retains fine dust. Behind it is a pair of 12-centimeter sickle flow fans with customizable lighting. They come with an ARGB 5-volt hub to control both RPM and glow. Tempered glass only covers the top of the case where the motherboard is located. The compartment for the power supply is made deaf, so boasting a kilowatt, alas, will not work. The top panel is removed entirely, which allows you to fix the CBO radiator on it without injuring your fingers. Long 360mm dropsies do not fit, but wide 280mm ones fit, one at the top and one at the front. Number 5. Adata XPG Defender. The Adata XPG Defender is a spacious PC case that fits even the largest eATX motherboards with sockets for two Intel Xeon or AMD Threadripper processors. It weighs 7.6 kilograms, which is quite consistent with the increased size. The video card can be installed both horizontally and vertically, but in the second case, you will have to buy a stand and a cable yourself. A 360mm drop-C is placed in front and 280mm on top. Moreover, in terms of the area of heat dissipation by the radiator, length multiplied by the width, 280 is much closer to 360 than to 240mm. By default, 3 XPG Vento 120 fans without illumination are installed. There is no Rheobus to control their speed. You need to connect it to the motherboard and use it to adjust the speed.